OpenAI is said to be working on a potentially groundbreaking new approach for its artificial intelligence models that could produce advanced reasoning capabilities that have so far been out of the grasp of even the most cutting-edge AI technology. Reasoning is widely considered to be one of the keys to building artificial general intelligence, or AGI, that can learn, adapt, and solve problems the way the human brain does. The project is codenamed Strawberry, according to internal documents leaked to Reuters. The project specifics, including the timeline for public availability, remain a closely guarded secret even among OpenAI staff. According to documents that Reuters could not date, Strawberry aims to power OpenAI's artificial intelligence to perform deep research by autonomously navigating the internet. This would allow the AI to respond to user queries, as well as anticipate and gather information independently. Now, if this were to happen, then we would be seeing the early stages of AGI, as I said in the earlier video about the levels or stages that OpenAI developed as a guide to AGI. Strawberry, reportedly an upgrade of OpenAI's earlier QStar project, is believed to be a significant leap in AI development. QStar had stirred internal debates and was linked to the temporary dismissal of CEO Sam Altman in November 2023, according to insiders. It is also widely believed that this was the reason why Ilya Sutskever left the company and started his own company focusing on superintelligence rather than general intelligence. This has spread the rumors that AGI has been long developed at OpenAI and might be the reason why GPT-5 and Sora were delayed. There have also been weird appointments to the OpenAI board, with some claiming that the government is involved and wants to control the deployment of AGI. Bloomberg reports that OpenAI leaders have outlined a progression framework for AI capabilities, placing the company at the initial reasoners level with ChatGPT-5. If you follow this channel, you will remember we talked about that news from OpenAI. It is widely believed that when they claimed that they were at the second stage, which they called reasoners, they were actually referring to the Strawberry model. According to the report, Strawberry aims to develop technology that will endow AI programs with enhanced levels of logic and reasoning. The primary goal is for AI programs to autonomously access the internet without user commands to self-improve. Specifically, these programs will search online for ways to upgrade themselves to perform increasingly complex tasks if required. Now, this would be a massive upgrade to the current models, which fail especially in reasoning. I remember I have talked about AI using tools like the computer and having access to the internet mixed with other methods. That will be the path to AGI if it is to happen at all, coupled with techniques such as chain of thought reasoning and RLHF, which stands for reinforcement learning from human feedback. There are claims that all these approaches are being used in Strawberry, although they came out when the project was still known as QStar. The source told Reuters that Strawberry is a work in progress. A release date is not currently known, and the project is said to be a tightly kept secret even within the halls of OpenAI. Project Strawberry was originally called QStar, demos of which have reportedly been capable of solving advanced mathematical and scientific problems. Now, the change of the name from QStar to Strawberry is said to have been influenced by the negative attention the project received when news of it was leaked, coupled with the fallout between the board members. Another source who spoke to Reuters said an OpenAI model scored over 90% on a math dataset, a benchmark for championship math problems. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, has not commented publicly about Strawberry, but did recently hint at the company's plans for future iterations of ChatGPT. He compared the rise of AI to industrial-era developments and attempted to reassure an anxious public that the developers of cutting-edge AI applications are taking into account their worries that the technology could become too powerful. There have, of course, been many claims and accusations labeled against OpenAI and their approach toward AGI. Some have labeled them as irresponsible, while others claim that they are now being controlled by big tech and the government. However, news came in to suggest that both Microsoft and Apple had quit the board positions they had taken just a week before. Now, with the change of the name to Strawberry, we can only wait and see how this goes, all of which I will notify you. Some questions arise with this news, such as, will Strawberry be a feature in the soon-to-be-released GPT-5? Well, technically we have to wait till the end of next year to receive GPT-5. But do you remember the claims that GPT-5 will have PhD-level reasoning abilities? This might probably be a hint to the fact that Strawberry will be a feature or the main product of GPT-5 as well as Sora. What are your thoughts on this? Do leave a comment below on why they have decided to change from QStar to Strawberry and whether you think they will incorporate Q-Star in GPT-5.